Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar. Welcome to our kitchen. Welcome to the segment Cooking Made Simple. So I don't know whether you can tell, this is Brussels sprouts. So it is going to be what I call masala Brussels sprouts with potato. Okay, so we have the usual ingredients here. Over here we have some chopped onions. This is actually tomato that's been ground with garlic and ginger. Those are the potatoes. Then we have some spices as per taste. We have fenugreek, we have chili flakes, we have salt, we have chilies, and we have garam masala. And then in addition we have some plum tomatoes there, we have some garlic cloves, we have some chili, we have some ground chili as well, and there is some ginger, and we will also need some garlic paste. Okay, so those are the ingredients. I am on my own today. Mrs. A. Junior is otherwise engaged. So we have some oil boiling away over here, about 2.5 tablespoons. So into that we're going to add the onions. Okay, give that a good mix, and we're going to soften it a little bit. So the onion is beginning to brown really nicely, and into that I'm going to add some zira. Okay, about 2 teaspoons. Okay, let that mix. This really adds to the aroma. नाज़रीन, ये है स्प्राउट्स और आलू की डिश, मसाला स्प्राउट्स एंड आलू, और हमने प्याज और ज़ीरा ऐड किया है, इसे ब्राउन होने देंगे. So hopefully you can see that the onions have browned really nicely, and I am going to add the potatoes first, because these are baby potatoes, but some of them are a little bit hard, so they take a good 10-20 minutes to cook, and doing it like this, it gives you a lovely golden texture as well. So we're going to cook those for a good 6 minutes. These are coming on nicely. I did forget to add one thing, which is garlic paste. As per taste, I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic paste and give that a real good mix. The potatoes have been cooking for about 5 minutes. We're going to add a few more things. Chilies. This is ginger. So we do freeze these things, and it's a lot easier. And there are about 6 cloves that have been cut up. Give that a good mix, and again give it about 5 minutes. So as you can see, the potatoes are beginning to brown and cook really nicely. We're going to add the spices now. So the spices that I'm going to add are chili, turmeric, garam masala, salt, and chili flakes. Okay, I'm going to put some garam masala in as well. Okay, so I did forget to put garam masala. There's some garam masala going in. Okay, so we'll give that a good mix for about 5 minutes, and then add the next ingredient. So as you can see, the spices have cooked really well onto the potatoes. And what I'm going to add now is the chilies and the plum tomatoes. So these are going to form part of the dish. That's why I'm putting them in a lot later. I don't want them as a paste. Just we are wanting them nice and soft to eat along with the potatoes and the sprouts. Show you the progress. So this is after about 3 more minutes, and the tomatoes are beginning to cook nicely. I did forget one spice that I like, which is ground cloves. Okay, so putting a little bit of that again. That adds to the aroma. Ground cloves, and let that mix for 2 minutes or so. So 2 more minutes have elapsed, viewers, and I'm going to add these sprouts now. I'm putting these last because I don't want them too soft. Okay, so as you can see, they have been in the freezer, and well, they are almost defrosted. So we're going to cook these for about 10 minutes now. So about 6 minutes have passed, viewers, and the sprouts are a lot softer, but I want to cook them a lot more. And we also want, what can we say, a gravy type. So I've prepared this tomato. Well, it looks like tomato puree, but it's been ground. So it's got tomatoes, it's got ginger, so it's got garlic in it. Okay, so put that into there. And give that a good mix. And we are going to cover that up now and cook it for around about 10 more minutes. Because as I said, we put the sprouts in the freezer, and want to make sure that they cook really properly. So as you can see, I've covered it now, and we're going to cook those for 10 minutes, and then hopefully that will be our spicy sprouts and potatoes ready. And there is our final product, viewers. Masala, sprouts and potatoes. नाज़रीन, ये यूरोप में मिलते हैं स्प्राउट्स, मुझे मालूम नहीं बाकी इंडिया पाकिस्तान में मिलते हैं कि नहीं, मगर ये क्रिसमस टाइम पे होते हैं और उसके बाद काफ़ी क्या कहें prices down होते हैं. So all that remains is to garnish it, and we have some guinea freak. Okay, so garnish it with that. And a favourite of mine, this is thyme. Okay, we don't have any coriander, so that would be another good one. Okay, I do hope you enjoyed my simple sprouts and potato dish. I hope you will try it. Until the next time, I say thank you for watching, guys. So as you can hear from my voice, a little bit croaky, so do make dua for me. Look after yourselves, look after others, tell all your friends all about the channel. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.